Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity. And we're here to look into these little devices that have started showing up on new pieces of electronics. And these are AC to USB adapters. And we have three of them. These have come with products that I've purchased in the last few years. And we're going to test them. As you can see, they're all different types from different manufacturers. So we're going to test them unloaded, and then we're going to plug this little device in and put a load on and see how they function. And we're going to test them with this. This is a battery powered AM radio, and it's tuned into AM 530. Here in Tucson there's no radio station there, so it's just static. And I'm going to show you what the static band is like with nothing plugged in. So as you can see, it's nice and quiet on the static band, and we're going to plug in our first USB adapter. We're going to see what happens. So you can see there's about a foot of radio waves coming out of this. So here's our second USB adapter. It's about 2 feet. So this is our third USB adapter. It's actually about 3 feet. So I'm now going to put an electronic load onto the adapter, and this should change its output. So it's about 5 feet. So that's pretty bad. Again, it's about 5 feet. So they're creating quite large interference fields. Here's our last one. Okay, that last one is the best. And it's about 3 feet, the field, on that last USB adapter. So as you can see, these little USB adapters have quite significant fields around them, and I've noticed that if you plug these in on your home wiring, they can start making your home wiring radiate very strange fields from it. So I urge people to be cautious about these little USB adapters and just be aware that some of these adapters are better than others. And that was the purpose of this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.